Hi everybody, it's Spirit, your lot, sister, family, friend, cute cousin, you know what I mean. What's up y'all? Shout out to everybody who be on Spirit Loves Lots. I love y'all and I love that we've been going live, having fun, hanging out. So if you have not been on there, get on there and follow me, all right? So today I am here because I live in New York and there is what we have called radiator heat. Okay, this is the driest heat in the world, and overnight my skin is getting dried out. My throat got me like, and my hair, my locks have been feeling like the moisture is being sucked out of them. So today I'm excited to do a hot oil treatment. This is my first time ever doing one, so I'm really excited. I don't know what to expect. I just know that you're supposed to, heat the oil up, put it in your hair, and let's go. And I'm even more excited because I will be featuring 2 black beauty products for this process. So the first, 3. Oh shit. 3 black beauty products for this process of my hair. The first thing that I'm going to do is wash my hair with Ronnie's Oil Peppermint Shampoo. This peppermint shampoo is meant to soothe the scalp and strengthen the hair. This is going to be my first wash because my hair is mad dirty. I go to the gym about 3 or 4 times a week, so sweat starts to build up and I want something that's going to clean it out. That's the peppermint. Then I'm going to follow it up with my favorite, Talia Waheed hydrating shampoo. All the products will be down in the description box, so don't you even worry. Don't worry if you don't see it right now. I'm gonna make it available for you. The Talia Waheed hydrating shampoo has been my favorite way to cleanse my hair while putting moisture into it. And last but not least, I will be trying a small brand called Black's Oil. They sent me a little sample of it. I mean a bitty bit of a sample. A really small amount of oil, but I'll be using this for the hot oil treatment. What I'm going to do right now is wash my hair with both of the shampoos. Then I'm going to heat up some oil, drop that oil in there, and start to rub that on my hair. But don't worry about what I'm about to do because I'm going to show you the entire process. Except I'm going to get in the shower to wash my hair, so no peeking. I'll be back. Can't wait to see you. What's good? Okay, so my hair is clean. What I can say about the Ronnie's oil is that my hair felt clean but not stripped of moisture. So it didn't even feel like I needed a second shampoo, but I always do one just because my first shampoo I really focus on the scalp and then letting the suds rinse off onto my hair. And then on the second shampoo is when I really focus back on the scalp but actually like try to scrub my locks together to get any kind of loose residue or debris that might be in my hair. So the Talia Waheed only enforced the moisture that I felt that I had with the Ronnie shop. So thank you, Ronnie shop, for sending me your peppermint oil. This is my hot oil. I took the water just below boiling, so to really heat that oil up. Hot oil treatments are super nostalgic for me. Me and my mom used to do these, and we used to buy the little oil packs from the beauty supply that you like cut off, pour it in there, cut off, and use it one time. So this feels like something I'm used to doing as a girl. So here's the oil that I have right now. My hair is damp. I squeezed out a lot of the extra water. And now I'm going to take this oil, which feels pretty warm now, and start applying it from the roots to my locks. Okay, I'm nervous because I'm not trying to burn my hand. Woo! Okay, it's definitely hot. But hey. Alright, so now I'm going into this process of actually just applying the warm oil to my locks, and we'll see what happens. I'm nervous because I never put anything like directly on my locks, but according to all y'all on Spirit Loves Locs, this is how you do it. So I hope y'all ain't leading me down the bad path. No, literally, this oil smells divine. It's called Love Oil. and I love how it smells. And I want to give my locks a good coating because I want that oil to seal in them. I want the moisture to seal inside of them as well. Okay, so when it comes to doing hot oil treatments, you are able to make your own blend of oils. All oils have different types of properties and benefits that they add to the hair, such as sweet almond oil and jojoba oil are very good for moisture. So if you need some moisture in your hair, I would do a combination of those. Castor oil can help with some thickness and strengthening of the hair. Tea tree and peppermint help stimulate growth. So, you know, think about what your hair needs and make an oil combination or concoction for your own special hair, and I think that you will find that it benefits it very well. Okay, so my locks feel soaked with oil now. I'm going to put on a shower cap. Like so. Okay, so I blow dried my hair for about 30 minutes and then I waited a couple hours, and now I'm going to take off the shower cap, get ready to rinse off my hair. But first I wanted to see how it felt, see what was going on with it. Feeling good, smelling good, okay. And I'm going to get ready to rinse my hair out with the Nourishing shampoo. Yes, length in this bit. Okay, super duper. Shout out to Black's Oil and to the Ronnie shop. Your shampoo, your oil have been amazing. My hair feels amazing. It smells amazing. That oil smells and felt amazing. The shampoo was not stripping but felt very cleansing. So thank you all, both. And thank you all for watching. If you like this or just like me, then make sure you like and subscribe to this video, and I will see you soon. I think I'm gonna style my hair. I didn't want to retwist this time. I'm still here, yes. So I didn't want to retwist my hair after this wash. So you know, I'm digging the vibes though. She getting long.